This is a quick demo showing a new feature in Hypatia, which is pretty cool, and it is the hint system. So let's say as a student I have this problem and I'm not sure what the next step is. I could always go down to the bottom right and hover over this light bulb icon, and Hypatia will give me 3 different steps I could use to approach this problem. Now, this is what makes Hypatia unique, because other math software might only have one method that students can use to solve the problem, whereas Hypatia allows students to approach the problem in any way they feel comfortable. So it doesn't just get these potential hints out of nowhere. Hypatia actually learns from how students solve the math. So it figures how different students approach the problem. And for each student, Hypatia actually creates a profile for that student. And so it can make these hints relevant and customize the hints to that student based on how they do math. And that's what really makes Hypatia powerful. So let's go ahead and take this first hint. So we'll just copy this over and we'll factor the denominator here. So we'll say that this is x plus 2 times x plus 8. Okay, so as a student, I've done this step, but now I'm still stuck. I still don't know what the next step is. So let's go back down to the hint icon. And we see that now we actually get new hints based on the new point that we are in the problem. So moving forward, Hypatia actually wants to implement these hints as written English rather than showing this mathematical expression. For instance, number 3, we could say multiply the numerator and denominator by x plus 8 times x plus 2. And in this way, we're not necessarily showing the student explicitly what to do, but we're still guiding them through the math problem. So not only can we do these hints, but as per usual, Hypatia also checks the student's work along the way. So let's say I'm evaluating this and I make some mistake. I go to check my problem, and Hypatia underlines this, checking my work as I try and solve the problem. So that's the quick demo of the hint system in Hypatia. Thanks for listening.